Dad, my friend Marcus's account got hacked. He lost everything. I want to understand exactly how someone does that.
I'll tell you the secret most people miss. 90% of successful hacks aren't technical at all. The weakest link is almost always a human.
So hackers are basically con artists who know how to type?
That's phishing in a nutshell. An email pretending to be your bank. A fake login page. You type your password in and you've handed it over. No code cracked.
How do I spot a fake? They look real sometimes.
Check the URL carefully. Amaz0n.com is not Amazon. Hover over links before clicking. Banks never ask for passwords via email. When in doubt, go directly to the site.
What about the actual movie hacker stuff? The guy in a hoodie typing green code really fast?
SQL Injection is a real one. If a website takes your input and plugs it straight into a database query without checking it, a clever input can expose everything. I'll show you. Imagine a form that asks your username. A bad site does, find user where name equals whatever you typed. Type anything or 1 is equal to 1 and suddenly you've selected every user in the database.
A math trick broke the entire database? 1 equals 1 is always true, so it unlocks everything?
That's it. Modern apps use parameterized queries to prevent this. They treat inputs as data, never as code. But lazy developers still get this wrong in 2025.
What if someone just tries every possible password until they get in?
Brute force attack. Computers can try billions of combinations per second. Against a strong unique password, still would take centuries. Against sunshine 1 milliseconds.
Those bars are not the same units, are they?
Nope. The weak ones, seconds. The strong one, millions of years. Credential stuffing is worse. Hackers buy leaked username password lists and try them on every site you use.
That's how Marcus got hacked. He uses the same password everywhere.
Password manager. Every site gets a different random password. You only remember one master password. Problem solved.
What's a man-in-the-middle attack? Sounds like a heist movie.
Someone secretly sits between you and the website, reading everything. Like a fake post office that opens your letters, reads them, reseals them. HTTPS prevents most of this.
What's a 0-day? I've seen that in video games, but I think it means something else here.
A 0-day is a vulnerability nobody knows about yet, not even the software maker. 0 days to fix it. Nation-states pay millions for these. They're powerful and rare.
Governments are buying secret bugs in software? That's deeply uncomfortable and also kind of cool.
Stuxnet was a 0-day weapon that physically destroyed Iranian nuclear centrifuges using Windows code. Cyber weapons are now real weapons.
Okay, practical question. What should every person actually do to not get hacked?
The practical list: unique passwords via password manager, 2FA on everything important, keep software updated, don't click weird links, use HTTPS sites only, VPN on public Wi-Fi.
What does a VPN actually do? It always sounds made up when people recommend it.
VPN creates an encrypted tunnel from your device to a server somewhere else. Coffee shop Wi-Fi sees encrypted gibberish. Your real IP is hidden. It hides what you're doing and where from.
VPNs are just invisibility cloaks. I should have been using one this whole time.
Remember, the VPN company can still see your traffic. Pick one that doesn't log. Free VPNs often sell your data. You're trading one risk for another.
There's no completely safe option, is there? It's all just levels of risk.
Welcome to the real world. Good security isn't invincibility, it's making yourself a harder target than the next person.
That's dark but motivating. I'll tell Marcus.
Tell Marcus to use a password manager first. Recap: phishing, SQL injection, brute force, credential stuffing, man in middle, 0 days, and the human is always the weakest link.